Hello, fitness enthusiasts and health-conscious warriors! Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the heart of belly fat combat. Yes, that persistent midsection fluff that can be quite the unwelcome guest as we navigate the passage of time. But fret not, for we're about to unravel the science behind this phenomenon and arm you with a comprehensive arsenal exercises that will banish belly fat and leave you feeling stronger, more confident, and ready to take on the world. And hey, don't forget to show your support. Hit that like button, share this valuable information with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest content, empowering you on your journey to a healthier, happier you. So let's buckle up and embark on this empowering journey together. Are you ready? Let's dive in! Let's kick off our exploration with a bang by delving into the exhilarating world of cardiovascular exercises, also known as aerobics. Picture this: you're striding down a sun-kissed path, the wind in your hair as you embark on a brisk morning walk. Alternatively, imagine the euphoria of a run that feels like freedom incarnate, or perhaps envision yourself cycling through scenic landscapes, feeling the burn in your thighs as you conquer each hill. These activities are more than just invigorating. They're calorie-burning powerhouses that can help melt away stubborn fat. Aerobic exercises play a crucial role in your fitness journey. They elevate your heart rate, increase your lung capacity, and improve the overall efficiency of your cardiovascular system. The best part? You don't need to dedicate hours upon hours to see results. Just 30 minutes of moderate to intensity aerobic exercise can work wonders. Whether you're dancing, swimming, cycling, or jumping rope, you're engaging in a heart-pounding symphony that not only contributes to fat loss but also boosts your mood and increases your energy levels. Now let's crank up the intensity with high-intensity interval training, fondly known as HIIT. Imagine a workout that alternates between periods of intense exertion and short recovery periods. This method of training is like a fiery dance between your body's limits and its desire for respite. During the intense bursts, you're pushing your muscles to their maximum capacity, giving it your all for all short bursts of time. Then, just as you're catching your breath, the recovery phase kicks in, allowing you to reset before the next round of intensity. HIIT has gained immense popularity due to its time efficiency and its impressive calorie-burning potential. It not only helps shed fat but also contributes to building lean muscle mass. A typical HIIT session may include exercises such as burpees, squat jumps, mountain climbers, and sprints. The magic lies in the afterburn effect. Even after you've completed your HIIT session, your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate, a phenomenon known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, or EPOC. Let's now shift gears and delve into the realm of weight and resistance training. This approach involves lifting weights or using resistance bands to challenge your muscles and stimulate your growth. Many individuals shy away from this type of training due to misconceptions that it will lead to a bulky physique. However, the reality is quite the opposite. Building muscle through weight training can actually enhance your physique by increasing muscle tone, improving overall strength, and boosting your metabolism. Weight and resistance training involve a wide array of exercises that target different muscle groups. These may include bicep curls, tricep dips, lunges, squats, deadlifts, and shoulder presses. The key is to gradually increase the resistance over time to continue challenging your muscles. As you build lean muscle mass, your body becomes a more efficient calorie-burning machine, as muscle tissue requires more energy to maintain than fat tissue. Let's focus our attention on sculpting that core, the powerhouse of your body. Strong core muscles not only contribute to a toned midsection, but also play a pivotal role in maintaining stability, improving posture, and preventing lower back pain. Abdominal exercises come in various forms, and each targets different areas of your core. Classic exercises like crunches, leg raises, and planks are essential in any core strengthening routine. These exercises engage in rectus abdominis, the muscle responsible for the coveted six-pack appearance. The bicycle crunch, for instance, not only engages your rectus abdominis but also targets your obliques as you twist your torso. Now let's zoom in on those elusive lower abs, a region that can be particularly challenging to tone. Mountain climbers are a dynamic exercise that engages your entire body while focusing on the lower abdominal region. Begin in a plank position and alternate bringing your knees toward your chest in a running motion. This movement requires a strong engagement of your core muscles to stabilize your body as you move. Lying leg raises, on the other hand, directly target the lower abdominal muscles. Lie flat on your back, legs extended, and lift both legs off the ground. Slowly lower them back down, ensuring controlled movements to engage the muscles effectively. This exercise not only helps tone the lower abs but also engages the hip flexors, contributing to overall core strength. Let's introduce you to a gem of an exercise, the Pilates roll-up. This graceful movement not only engages your core but also enhances spinal flexibility. Begin by lying on your back with your arms extended overhead and legs straight. Inhale as you initiate a controlled rolling motion, lifting your torso off the ground vertebra by vertebra. Reach forward to touch your toes. Then exhale as you roll back down with the same precision. The Pilates roll-up is a fantastic way to engage your core muscles while also promoting spinal mobility. Now imagine feeling the stretch as you lengthen your spine during the roll-up, providing a gentle massage to your back muscles. This exercise is like a soothing stretch session and a core workout all rolled into one. Pun intended. It's perfect for anyone looking to improve their flexibility, especially in the often neglected spinal area. So as you roll up and down with mindful control, relish the sensation of each vertebra working harmoniously to enhance both your core strength and flexibility. Now let's add a playful twist, quite literally, with Russian twists. This exercise targets your oblique muscles, which run along the sides of your torso. Sit on the ground, knees bent, and lean back slightly. Lift your feet off the ground and hold the weight or medicine ball in front of you. Twist your torso to one side, tapping the weight on the floor beside you. Then twist to the other side, tapping the weight on the opposite side. This movement engages your obliques as they work to stabilize your torso during the twisting motion. Feel the delightful burn in your side muscles as you twist from left to right, almost as if you're wringing out any excess tension from your core. The added weight intensifies the challenge, making your obliques work harder to control the movement. It's like a fun game of tug-of-war between your muscles and the resistance, with your obliques emerging victorious as they tone and strengthen. While these exercises offer fantastic benefits, it's important to prioritize safety and listen to your body. Always warm up before engaging in any strenuous activity, and consult a fitness professional or healthcare provider if you have any pre-existing conditions or concerns. Overtraining can lead to injuries, so remember that rest and recovery are equally important components of any fitness routine. Conquering belly fat is a multifaceted endeavor that involves a combination of cardio, HIIT, weight training, and targeted exercises for your core and lower abs. By incorporating these exercises into your fitness regimen, you're setting yourself up for success on your journey to a stronger, healthier, and more confident you. Remember, consistency is key, and the results will be well worth the effort. So lace up those sneakers, grab those dumbbells, and embrace the exhilarating challenge of sculpting your dream physique. Cheers to your wellness journey and the incredible transformation that lies ahead. As we wrap up today's discussion by conquering belly fat, here's a question for you, our amazing viewers. Which of these exercises are you most excited to incorporate into your fitness routine? Is it the cardio power, the fiery intensity of HIIT, the sculpting effects of weight training, or perhaps the core strengthening magic? Drop your answers in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more tips, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay curious, stay inspired, and always remember that your well-being is the ultimate treasure. Here's to a life filled with vitality and abundant health.